Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back today. So today's video is in full collaboration with Pretty Little Thing. So every single thing you see that I'm using in this video is from Pretty Little Thing. It's going to be all linked down below if you want to go check it out. A lot of really fun makeup. We're going to do like a really fun, dramatic, pink, purpley, gorgeous look today. My jumper is also from Pretty Little Thing. It's going to be linked down below. So thank you so much for sponsoring this video, Pretty Little Thing. I really appreciate it. And with that, let's get straight into it. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to start with the Pretty Little Thing foundation in warm beige. So I'm taking my foundation and my beauty blender. Again, every single thing I use is from Pretty Little Thing. So it's all going to be linked down below. You guys can go check it all out. And we're going to just put this on to begin with. Okay, let's move on to concealer. I'm going to take the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer in Zero Light. Use a bit of this. Blend that out. Okay, so I just went in and set with the Maybelline Face Studio Setting Powder, just like underneath the eyes, on like basically my T-zone there. Now we're going to do a little bit of bronze. So I'm going to take the Morphe Bronzer Bronzing Contour Powder in Vlogger. And I'm going to take my big powder brush and bronze our face up. Okay, gorgeous. Now we're going to do a bit of highlighter. I'm going to take the High Impact Morphe highlighter in Extra. Little brush here. Okay, so we're going to move on to the eyebrows. I'm going to take the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil. I'm just going to do like a quick, easy brow. You guys know that I don't really go too heavy on the brows. Just gonna lightly fill them in. Okay, now I'm gonna go over with the Morphe Brow Setting Gel. Just over the top. Not a lot. Okay, gorgeous. All right, let's move on to some eyes. So I'm going to take our main eye today is going to be the Lime Crime Pressed Pigment Palette. I don't know what the name of it is. It's this one. Really cute. So I think we're going to do like some pinks. So I'm going to actually go in with this pink here and we're going to put this in the crease to start off with, and then we're going to see where we go from there. So I'm going to take my blending brush. This is the color Libra. And we're going to start this right in our crease here. Create like a big cut crease. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably would have seen this look a few times on my Instagram story. It's very similar. I've been using this palette a lot. It's like the pink, gorgeous pink with like the pink shimmer in the middle there. So this is like kind of the same look as that. I've been getting a lot of comments from people being like, can you please recreate this? I need a tutorial. So this is what I've been doing. So I'm just gonna blend this out. Okay. Now we're going to go in with Rose Burst up the top here, and we're going to put this on our lid. Okay. So that is the top of the eye there. Now I'm going to run these same colors down the bottom as well. Gorgeous. Now I'm going to take an angled brush, and we're going to take this blue, and we're going to do sort of like an angled blue liner. Okay. So bring this out here. Yay! Okay, to finish off the eyes, I'm going to go in with the Rimmel London Scandalized Wow Wings mascara. Straight top and bottom. Okay, so those are the eyes. Really pretty. Now for the lips, I'm going to take the Lime Crime Velveteen Lip Liner in plastic. So this is pinky color. I'm going to line my lips here. Quite big, obviously. Okay, now I'm gonna go over the Lime Crime Wet Cherry Gloss in Baby Cherry. Right over the top. Okay guys, so I think this is the finished look. So this is my full Pretty Little Thing sponsored makeup tutorials. Every single product that I used today is going to be linked down below. It's all available on Pretty Little Thing. Please go check it all out. I really hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!